changing the battery in a Hyundai X35 isn't rocket science, but it sure can feel like it when you're facing a dead car and a busy schedule. Ever been stranded with a car that won't start? We've all been there, and it's never fun. But here's the good news. Changing the battery doesn't require a degree in engineering. First, you'll need a replacement battery. It's like picking out a new pair of shoes. You need the right fit. The Hyundai Ix35 usually takes a group size 124 battery. You'll be staring at a price tag of around $100 to $200. Investing wisely here can save you countless headaches. Grab your tools. But I know that specifically a socket wrench set, and you want to act like a pit crew member, all efficient and quick. You'll also need some gloves and safety glasses because even a simple task can get messy and dangerous. Safety first, folks. Before touching anything, ensure your vehicle's turned off and the keys are out of the ignition. This is your lifeline against accidental shocks. Let's avoid recreating a scene from a 90s sitcom where things go hilariously awry. We want a smooth operation here. Pop the bonnet and use a stick or hydraulic to keep it open. There's nothing like a hood slamming down mid-process to remind you of gravity. Locate the battery compartment on the right side of the engine bay. It's like finding Waldo minus the red stripes. Begin by detaching the negative cable using your socket wrench. Always start with the negative. It's like following an unwritten law of physics to prevent sparks. Take off the positive cable next, and remember their positions, like remembering your date's birthday. Time to loosen the clamp or strap holding the battery in place. Think of it as untying a complex knot. You want patience, not brute force. Lift the old battery out and set it aside. Heavy, isn't it? Now you're appreciating those reps at the gym, aren't you? Position the new battery in the same spot. It's much like putting a new resident in a familiar town. And secure the battery by tightening the hold down clamp or strap. Now your battery is ready to rock and roll without going on a joyride. Reconnect the positive cable first and move to the negative. Remember, reverse of removal. This order prevents unwanted sparks and that slightly singed smell. Tighten those connections snugly. A loose cable can cause more trouble than an internet troll. Take a moment to inspect your work. This is your quality assurance phase. Check that everything's secure and there's no wiggle room, much like doing an essay proofread before clicking submit. And you want no surprises when you fire up that engine. Now, test on.
Start the car and listen for the engine's purr.
If it cranks to life, congratulations, you dodged a tow truck bill. If not, retrace your steps. Troubleshooting can be as satisfying as finding an extra fry at the bottom of the bag.